Hello, it's just me. Let's take the video. I'm gonna play the second Cylinder Isle. I'm the Mr. Stampy Cat. Let's play the video. I'm gonna play against AI because that's faster. But this is lots of legs. I can't play. I need to play this. Woohoo! Oh, yes. Ah. Really? Or die. I go to before. Ah! I saw that. I'm gonna kill him. Wow, I'm on 1000, but I'm not on there. Quake. Wow. I go to 2000. I love monkeys. What? They wants to kill me. They wants to kill me. Even die. They wants to kill me. Kill me, even die. Really small, really cool. Really? Fine. I will play this. Fine. Wow. Woohoo! That guy. Wow, I'm on 3000. I need to somebody trap someone. I need somebody to trap. Really, I'm stuck. They wants to kill me. But they can't. Because I'm really big. And I can kill everyone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They wants to kill me. They wants to kill me. They wants to kill me. Go, 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 boost, boost, boost. Let's go up to 4,000. Oh yeah. Ah! There's lots of people. Oh my gosh. It's really dangerous here. And they wants to kill me. Oh my gosh, I need to go down, I need to go down. Ah! Phew. Really? I don't need to kill small guy. But I need to eat it. Oh, I'm on 4,000. They wants to kill me. No, no. My gosh, I need to trap somebody. Oh my gosh, I'm really scary. I'm the scaredy cat because I'm cat. And they wants to kill me, but I don't want to die. They're following me. Because I'm really big. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah! These are yum, 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 yum. That's real fun. Oh my gosh, there wants to kill me. Oh my gosh, there's lots of people on down. Little banana. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoops. There's lots of people and I need to get away. I'm really big and they wants to kill me and I don't like to kill me. There's lots of people down here and I don't like it. Oh my gosh, this is the end. Hey, I'm 5,000. I need to kill somebody. Huh? No! Darn it! Where's bigger guy? Then bigger than that. Oi! Really? I was frozen for a second. Really? I really hate this. Oh, I need to kill him. Oh, 한 방에. Okay. Bye. Let's see you tomorrow.